All right, here at Kentucky 669 number 2 railroad crossing at Daisy, Kentucky. This is a second crossing this is where Micah Turner films here, as you can see. Yep, as you can see here. And there used to be a relay. No, there's a relay case over here. Here at the first signal. Gotta be careful watching. I'm gonna step at. Right, there we go. So here at the first signal. It has a modern industries base. You have a CSX emergency information. The dot number is 346287K and milepost is 0LF263.59. Here I have some lights. I didn't notice there's a different styles of these crossings. Here's 3 pairs of Western Cullen Hayes 8-inchers and 1 pair of WRS 8-inchers. As you can see, it's WRS. Well, the two crossings they're like this because they used, I don't know. All right, now I'm gonna cross. Gotta make sure I cross and look both ways first. All right, here I have a second signal. It has another modern industries base, another CSX emergency info. There are some lights. There's some different ones and styles of these lights. So the back, let's go over back here. All right, there's 3 pairs of Western Cullen Hayes 8-inch lights and 1 pair of Modern Industries 8-inch lights. You see right here, they're made by Modern Industries. And the bell on top of the signal, it is WRS mechanical bell. There, and there's WRS up here. Sadly, the bell is dead last I checked. I think the WRS was dead. Has not ringed for like 2 weeks. And here's the pathway over here. That way leads to Hazard and go through to Isom and Blackie to Isom somewhere, different rails. And that way leads to the outside of a town, which is a coal mine over here. And there's a abandoned railroad and abandoned railroad tunnel. So yeah. Alright, gotta be careful with this. Yeah, the bell is dead. It's not ringed. Yep. So yeah, I can get back over here. There we go. Okay, there we go. That's a better view. So here I have Kentucky 669 number 2 railroad crossing in Daisy, Kentucky. Over and out.